what plant-based raw food does for a community.
I'm so excited about Heal and Ignite across Canada. The impact that this show is going to have on people not only across our country but around the world is just phenomenal. And even though I'm still a meat eater, I feel so much greater that such a high percentage of my diet is now raw. I can't say enough about it.
There's so much to share about how incredible it was to be around all the human beings that came together and all the delicious food that we got to test and try, from like savory to sweet and all raw. So it was really amazing.
This to me is the experience of coming home. I'm so comfortable here, and it's a program I've been waiting for my entire life. I've been looking for this, and I'm here.
I am not vegan. I have never done a retreat. I was very scared about it all, and it was a life-changing experience. I've learned that food can be healthy, delicious, extravagant, beautiful, and simple all at the same time. And I can't wait to take all the great things that I've learned from Danielle to use for the rest of my life. Thank you.
I'm so excited for Danielle's show to come to Canada, and I really believe it's going to have a huge impact on the community in general. I'm so excited to see some of these cooking lessons where it can be made a little bit more simple for us, because it doesn't feel easy for me to eat healthy because I don't know what to do with the food once it's there. So someone can say, start eating more coconut, and I think, okay, great, or turmeric, and I'm like, I don't know what to do with it. So Danielle has these like amazing recipes and seems to just use these processes that are so simple for people like me who aren't a chef and who are just too busy to like do tons and tons of research. Canada, and seeing different parts of the country and different foods that grow in different areas and different provinces, and then learning something that we do every single day, make food for ourselves. So
I'm excited that Danielle Arsenault is bringing Heal and Ignite Canada on a cross tour to help the Canadians really understand how food is essential to their health and quality of life. So when you get a chance, check her out.